Wise, see, Syndicate Bank has crossed 3 lakh crore business by the end of December. After that, now we have crossed 3 lakh 34,000 crores by March 2013. It's roughly 18% growth rate year-on-year basis. Mostly, not only business growth, bank has been conscious in the quality of the assets also. So this year, our gross NPS and net NPS are much below last March. And the ratio wise also, the gross NPA is 1.99% and net NPA is 0.76%. This compares well and better than many banks. And also the provision coverage ratio, it is a strength of the bank is 83.41. This is the highlights of performance. And also the NIM is net interest margin. It is also 3.19. It is in the current times that maintain that above 3 is a really challenging job. That part bank has been able to do well. And last year we have opened 215 branches. With that we reached 2,934 branches. And bank has got further licenses on hand. We are hopeful of completing 3,000 branch network by this May end. And hoping to make 3,200 during the year and a branch network. Then the credit growth has been domestically 12%. So we have been seeing the reasons. One is retail growth is not at the expected level. On that we are taking a lot of initiatives. One is how to improve housing loans and vehicle loans. We have taken a lot of initiatives. Under that, gold loans has picked up very well. It has come to 75% growth rate compared to last year. But housing vehicle loans is around 7% they have grown. So that we are seriously focusing. And we made many things customer friendly. The rate of interest, processing charges, waiver of processing charges. So this year we are expecting some better things to happen in housing and vehicle loans. Upcoming year, one is business wise. We are focusing at next year 4,90,260 crores. Branch network, as I told you, we are likely to touch 3,200 mark by next year. And ATMs, another 1,300 ATMs as per the FM's advice. Every branch should have one ATM. So in that process, we are going to have one ATM, one branch. So we will be putting not less than 1,300 ATMs next year. And the further business expansion this year, current year, again our thrust area will be mostly the mid-corporate, micro small enterprises, agriculture and retail lending. So the earlier the corporate loans giving high value loans, those we are not focusing. Where we can get more margins, yield and advances, that is the current year thrust area. And also, as I told you, the e-lounges, that is self-service banking, the electronic platform. We want to create so that customer need not step into the branch, whatever with the timing, and he can have his own operations besides drawing the cash, depositing the cash, checkbook, giving check for collection. All these things can be done in a self-banking way. It's electronic banking, electronic lounge we are creating. So that is the current year we want to give. We started in Bangalore, we will extend to other cities hereafter. And HNI lounges also we are creating. HNI lounges means customer having 1 crore relation with, more than 1 crore business relation with a particular branch. They are called HNI customers. A separate lounge is created for them. So they have to sit, they just come and sit in the lounge. The rest of the service will be done by the branch officer. It is sitting arrangement only. You need not move to counter to counter.